Now I'm going to show a possible way how one can modify the dashboard from the previous lesson. Obviously, this task has plenty of solutions. I'd like to explain my version as an example and discuss possible logic of dashboards developing. Firstly, look at these elements. A list with courses types names as shown here. That's why we shouldn't duplicate it on the column chart inside of every column. Clicking on the sector of the pie charts allows to transform column chart in the right way. Secondly, the merger of two charts with target actual values is a very good idea, as it's better to highlight plan achievement instead of duplicating courses names twice. Let's start creating a new dashboard with preparing a draft. It's as usual practice in my team working process. You can use a tablet, paint, or usual paper. I try to create the simple, illustrative, and symmetric structure. There is a pie chart with the courses names in the right corner. A column chart with the dynamics of payment by month is located here. As for me, the column chart with lines should be located right below, as axes with time will look well comparable. Dynamic of leads, payments, and columns indicating row are shown here. The target values of sales will be shown by a line on this chart. Finally, the table with target actual values of sales and expenses can be placed here. There are courses names, sales with percentage of plan achievement, expenses with the same calculation as ROI. Let's type the headings here. Okay, I've typed columns names. Also, conditional formatting will be added here, as well as icons will highlight the values of ROI. As a result, we got the sketch. In the next lesson, I'm going to modify the dashboard in Power BI in accordance with it.